Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys step by step on how you can do your hair landing cost calculation. But before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and hit on the notification bell. So whenever I upload content about China importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you too can import without using any agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And also, if you want me to procure your link from 1688, taobao or pinduoduo, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. I will make a payment to your supplier and do whatever you want to do as far as importation business is concerned. Okay, so let's get straight to the tutorial. Now, before I dive into the tutorial, I would like to show you the product video of the 3 kg of a product I'm going to use as an example in this video. So welcome back guys. So now I'm going to show you how the calculation of the particular product I just show you in the video, how the calculation of the landing cost is going to be. Now there are things you need to consider before you can calculate your landing cost. One of the things is that you need to know the kg of the product. That's number one thing. Number two thing is that you need to know the rate at which your shipping company is going to charge you. Okay, those are the things you need to consider before you can do your landing cost calculation. And most time it is always advisable to do your landing cost calculation when your goods arrive into your country. This is because shipping rate is not static. You understand? Because sometimes you may want to ship, you may charge your shipping company this week, and you were told that the shipping rate is $5 per kg, and then you are proposing to import maybe 2 weeks later. So in the 2 weeks later, the shipping fee might increase from that $5 per kg to $7 per kg. And not only that, during the transit of your shipment from China to your whatever country of your choice, the shipping rate can as well change. So this is why it is always advisable for you guys to do your landing cost calculation when you have your pickup message, just like what you see on the screen here, because this is what determines how much you are going to pay to clear this particular goods. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys this particular 3 kg product to show you guys how you can do the calculation. So whatever kg of the product you are bringing into your country by here, this is how the calculation is done. No plus, no minus. So let me just put you through the system and show you guys how you can multiply the figure and know the real amount of money you are going to pay. Okay, now let's see. Now, according to the statement from this shipping company, here I have 3 kg for the goods. Okay, and then here I was told that I'm to pay $24.4 to clear this 3 kg of a goods. Okay, another thing to consider here is the rate, exchange rate. You see the exchange rate here states that I'm to pay 585 naira to clear this 3 kg of goods. Now this 585 naira here will now be used to multiply 24.4 USD. I don't know if you get it very well. Now this 585 naira here to be multiplied by 24.4. This will determine the amount I'm going to pay to clear this 3 kg of the goods in my own country here. Now let's see how the calculation went. So I will have to go to my calculator right now. So the formula is rate multiplied by price. Okay, so the rate at which this company charged me for dollar is 585 naira. So I'm going to type in 585, okay, multiply by how much am I paying in dollar? Because in my country, they don't charge, we don't spend dollar, okay? And this shipping company, they don't collect dollar. Most of them, they don't collect dollar. You have to pay them in your country local currency, okay? So I have to now go back to the amount I was charged to pay 24.4 USD, okay? So what I'm going to do now is to go back to my calculator, multiply this by 24.4. So the amount I'm going to pay them is 14,274 naira in my local currency. So this amount of money will be used to clear this 3 kg of the product. Okay, so no plus, no minus. Now, you have known the amount you are going to pay the shipping company and in your local currency. You still want to know how much these people charge you per kg, because the figure given here was that you have to pay 24.4 USD to clear this 3 kg goods. So what you need to do to determine how much you are charged per kg is that you go back to your calculator, you say 24.4 divided by 3. So which simply means that this shipping company charge you 8.1 cent USD per kg. So now, if for instance you communicate with the shipping company and you were told that the shipping rate is $7, but at the time you charge them up, you have not even purchased your product, not to talk of shipping your product, rather than getting a pickup message. So you can see that this is very much easy and very much reliable to do your landing cost here, calculation landing cost, when you have your pickup message. So this will give you the accurate figure you are going to pay your shipping company. Okay, so and I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 things in this video. If you enjoyed this video and find value for this video, give the video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorial about importation from China, US, and India. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you too can be an independent importer, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. If you need a one-on-one training with me, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. If you want me to procure your link on 1688, taobao, or pinduoduo, you can as well contact me with the same phone number on this video. And lastly, guys, I'm going to make a video on how you guys can calculate sea shipping without any stress. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.